Are you looking for an OTDR that delivers excellent results on a budget? So we will tell you about the Deviser AE1001 OTDR, a reliable, compact, and easy-to-use solution for all your fiber testing needs. The AE1001 isn't just an OTDR, it's an all-in-one fiber testing tool that includes an optical power meter and a visual fault locator, making it a complete package for professionals. It is used for FTTH testing, fiber cable installation, and verification. With the help of this OTDR, you can detect fiber cable breakage, cable length, signal loss, splicing loss, etc. The AE1001 is compact and field-ready, making it extremely easy to operate. This OTDR comes with a carrying bag that includes a charging adapter, additional connectors, documentation, and a belt. The device supports 1310 nanometers and 1550 nanometers wavelengths for single-mode fiber testing. Its attenuation dead zone is 10 meters, and the event dead zone is 3 meters, which you get only in high-end OTDR. With a dynamic range of 24 decibels and 26 decibels, the AE1001 supports fiber testing up to 80 kilometers. It has 3 features. The first is for OTDR that operates at a dynamic range of 24 decibels and 26 decibels with a measurement time frame of 5 seconds to 5 minutes. The second feature is for the power meter, in which you can measure the range from -50 dB to +26 dB. And the third visual fault locator can detect loss within a length of 5 to 7 km. Its wavelength is 650 plus or minus 10 nanometer. The AE1001 has a 4.3-inch color LCD touchscreen, which works like a smartphone. You can easily see even the smallest imperfections in your lines by tapping or swiping and analyze the testing results. It has 28 GB of internal storage, as well as USB and pen drive connectivity for data transfer. With this you can store over 160,000 OTDR traces. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, it delivers up to 6 hours of continuous use on a single charge, perfect for long field projects without interruptions. The Deviser AE1001 OTDR is engineered for professionals who demand accuracy, durability, and efficiency.